Hi guys, and I'm going to be opening 2 Pokemon packs. This is the first Pokemon pack. This is the second Pokemon pack. Alright, I have opened up that case. And it came with this card and this coin. It's a pretty nice card. Yeah, this is a coin. I don't know what they're... I think they're shell Pokemons. I've heard of them before. Okay, let's get started. Okay, let's open up this pack. Okay. I'm just going to give away this free code. Alright. I always go with the back card. Okay. Okay, this one. This one, the new Pokemon, I think. Whoa! It's a cool one. I'll put that one there. Okay. This one. Whoa. That's a cool one. Alright, this one. And this one. This one. This. Oh, it's really cute. And this one. Alright, and this pack. Right now. Hopefully, I want to get something good. I got 2 good cards. Alright. All the cards just flung. I didn't see them. No, it's upside down. Here you go. Okay, this one. Well, that's a good one. I keep that good one. Same one. Same one. Never got that one before. Whoa, it's a cool looking one. Oh my gosh, I got one of the new Pokemon. So cute. Oh, I love this Jigglypuff. Last card. Well, I didn't get really that good cards. Oh, so these are all the cards I got. Pretty cool. No, not that one, I guess. Pretty strong. So these are the pretty cool ones. Alright. And also, thank you for watching.